Hey everyone, today I will show you how to schedule Reels on Instagram. And here's how it is done. To schedule an Instagram Reel, start by creating your Reel. Record a quick video, just like I am doing here for the sake of this tutorial. After recording, click Next. Normally, you'd edit your Reel, but for now, click Next again. You will see some settings, and what you want to do is scroll all the way down to the bottom where it says More Options or Advanced Settings. Click on that and you should see an option that says Schedule Content. Tap on Schedule this reel. Now, you can set the date and time for when you want your reel to be posted. For example, you could schedule it for later today or even a week later. Just set the time you want, and then go back to the previous screen. Once you have set up the schedule, you can confirm that your reel is scheduled. If you want to view or edit your scheduled reel before it posts, click on the top right corner of your profile. Here, you will see scheduled content. Click on it to view your scheduled reel. From this screen, you can edit the reel or change the scheduled posting date. If you decide you don't want to post the reel, you can delete it as well by clicking on the three dots and selecting delete. And that is everything you need to know about how to schedule reels on Instagram. And may I humbly ask you a favor? Please do like, share, and subscribe to our channel. This means the world to us. Thank you so much for watching. We hope to see you in our next video.